We're basically reimagining and re-envisioning what writing an estimate is all about. We're empowering our users to be able to kind of be free and flexible, use the system on whatever device, browser that they want. We want to make the product cloud-based, be able to do a lot of the same workflows that you were chained to your desk to do. One of our goals with Mitchell Cloud Estimating is to promote accuracy of that estimate, making sure that the data that estimator is seeing when they're writing the estimate for that vehicle is accurate. Can we give them information in the context of the product that they never had before so that they can make all their decisions in one instance? We're trying to build a product which is really user-friendly, it's easy to use, less clicks, a lot faster for somebody to just come in and learn. It's going to be one of the easiest estimating systems you've ever touched.